Breaker boards.
It's important to have an understanding of where the breaker boards will be located before beginning your build.
As you can see here, I'm using the existing joists and will be separating my deck with a breaker board right down the middle.
I strongly recommend using breaker boards rather than butt joints. Breaker boards are much more structurally sound, quicker to lay, minimise waste, and look better all year round. After all your decking is done, it's time to make room for your breaker boards and trim any overhanging boards.
Measure out the width of the breaker board, ensuring to leave a 3 to 5 mm gap between the breaker board and the edge of the decking boards. We recommend using a track saw to give you the best finish and avoid scratches. You will then cut all the way from the front of the deck to the house. To finish it off, use a multi-tool to finish the last boards that the track saw doesn't reach. Lightly sand the edges to make a nice smooth finish. Now it's time to drop the breaker boards in. You can face fix, but we will be secret screwing to secure breaker boards and be more aesthetically pleasing. Use a 3.5 mm drill bit to secure through the bottom edge of the board between the gaps of other boards. Fix down using 8-gauge screws. Secure with screws every 450 mm.